Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Mcallen, TX. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. McAllen International Airport is 1.9 miles from this motel in Texas. The motel features an outdoor pool and guest rooms with expanded cable TV, free Wi-Fi and free local telephone calls. Each room at the Motel 6-Mcallen is decorated with simple light wood furniture. Laundry facilities are on site for added convenience. The motel also offers drink and snack vending machines. Zone Amusement Park is 1.9 miles from McAllen Motel 6. The motel is 4.3 miles from McAllen International Museum. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.